The Diweishi two-way dash camera. I got this guy for my mom and I installed it for her. She's been using it now for a few months and overall she's been loving it. So it's a discrete hidden camera. They say that because it has this sort of pivoting head on the top, so you can really sneak it up high and then have it hanging down. The camera itself came with everything you needed, including the wiring for the backup camera, including a little pry tool, also a power feed. The power feed I did to the fuse is a hardwire kit because I wanted to be able to use it in parking mode. But what I love about it the most, and I was looking this for specifically for my mom, she has an older car, a 2014 Crosstrek, for it to have a reverse capability. So the way that you hook up the rear camera is it has a power feed. You connect that, let's say, to the reverse light, and then it knows it gets power whenever you put it into reverse, and you can use it as a backup camera, which for her was something she really wanted. She doesn't like backing up, which I feel a lot of people don't. We got used to having a backup screen. So not only is it working as a dash camera with loop recording, enhanced night vision, I believe 4K display, it has all the necessary functions and it looks good. But besides that, also something that's rare in my opinion, I had to search for this, was being able to use this guy as a backup camera. And as a backup camera, it works great. So far, no complaints with it. There's plenty enough wire to run from front to back. The price point on it was very reasonable, which is also, a nice little touch. You can be getting name brand dash cameras that are gonna be 100 more or even more, 200 more. This guy's very affordable and it's not compromising on any of the essential points. And also comes with one extra feature, which as you can see, I'm a big fan of it being utilized as a backup camera. I hope you found this helpful. Don't go without a dash camera. Get a two-way minimal. And if it has backup cam, why not? See you on the road.